my channel. Thank you so much. I've seen a lot of new subscribers and I really want to thank you guys for so much for that. Please ignore the background noise. It's just my neighbors. Again, please ignore the noise, okay? So I want to thank my new subscribers. Thank you guys for following me. Thank you guys for subscribing to this channel. It means the world to me. And if you're watching this video, you have not subscribed, like seriously, help this girl now. Help her. You understand? Your subscription means a lot to me. So please do so by subscribing. Like I said before, I'll be introducing vlogs and other, topics to this channel, and you might want to stay tuned for that. It's going to be very, very interesting channel. It's going to take a new turn. We're not going to talk about scar only. We're going to talk about other concepts too. So you might want to stay tuned for that. Again, please ignore the noise, okay? For my old subscribers, you guys are the very best. I am so grateful for you. You guys are the reason for this channel running, okay? Thank you so much. I'm really grateful. So today we'll be talking about what not to apply to your scar area if you're on a laser treatment. So I have heard, the reason why I want to make this video is because I have seen a lot of trial by errors by my subscribers and people who actually DM me, and I felt, what, it is my duty to actually make sure that you guys are not doing it wrong, because there are certain things I've done wrong in my own when I was removing my scar, and I don't want you to fall victim. That's why you're watching this video. It's just to keep you posted, give you information that will help you during your own journey you get. So what not to apply to your scar area during laser treatment? Number one is aloe vera. Look, I know I made a video, this video right here. If you haven't checked this video, go and watch this video. I know I made a video that you can apply aloe vera and other things to it, but you don't apply it to a fresh wound. You don't apply aloe vera to a fresh wound. Like if I told you, if you watch this video too, please check it out. If you haven't watched this video, it's very there's a lot of information here. If you haven't watched this video, I talked about making sure that your wound is always fresh. You understand? Your wound is always dry. Dry. Your wound is always dry, not fresh. Always dry. You understand? For your wound to heal, because you just did a laser, so the place is going to be wounded, and you might need some time to heal. You don't apply water or liquid substance to that area. Aside from it getting wet all the time, it's going to cause infection, so you don't want that. So you need to leave the place always dry all the time. There are tons of people that DM me. I told you, there's nothing you can apply to that area, not even cream, nothing. Just apply oil. It will go a long way. It's not going to make the place wet. It's going to leave the place dry. It's even going to help the recovery process. So oil are very, very good. Now, if you don't know about the oil I'm talking about, I sell scar oil treatments, and they're really, really good. At the end of this video, I'll show you before and after of people who have used it and it worked for them. So please, if you want that, you can DM me on this Instagram page or my personal Instagram page. You can just DM me in any of them and we'll talk about it. Please don't apply aloe vera to your fresh one. Please, 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 please. Number two is honey. Honey is good for scar. I'm not saying it's not good. Even aloe vera is good. They are very good for already healed scar. You understand? But not fresh. Please don't add aloe vera to a freshly wounded skin. Please, I am begging. I beg you, please, okay? Don't add that, okay? Just apply only oil. I will still emphasize on oil. Now, number three is oils that contains retinol, vitamin E, and all that. Look, in as much as I said oil, you need to be very careful the kind of oil you want to apply to your face, okay, onto that area. Like, I'm gonna make a video of how your skin type affects your recovery process, your laser treatment, your scar removal journey. I'm going to do a separate video on that, and it's going to be very detailed. I'm trying to compose a lot of things, information and all that. As soon as I'm ready, and I'll put that out, okay? But not every oil you apply to your scar, the scar area, the least of treatment, what you're doing. Not every oils you apply to it. Oils that contain retinol are not good, are really not good. They're going to disrupt, they're going to hinder your recovery process. They're going to limit how fast you recover, okay? Vitamin E2 and really not good. So you need to, that's why I said you need to be very mindful what you put inside your system and what you eat and all that. All these things help you during your recovery process, during the scar removal journey, okay? You need to be careful what you apply, okay? There's nothing else you can apply than oils that are very good. You know the kind of oils that are very good. If you have not watched this video, this is a scar. Now if you can, because a lot of people be like, oh, I don't want to, it's fine. If you can't buy mine, it's not a compulsory, it's not compulsory that you must buy it. It's very good, it's help others. Or if you want to make yours, you can also there's this video, you can watch this video and check it out, okay? All right, but not all the oils here are contained in mine has more bigger oils, like more oils and butters that are added to it. I just made this one the affordable version of it, so you have an idea, okay? Number 2 is face cream. I know during that process, especially when your scar area is in your face, you might want to be like, you might be tempted to just rub oils on your face entirely. Make sure that while you are rubbing oils or creams, make sure that you separate the side that your scar, where your scar is. Do you understand? When you're rubbing your face cream, which I'm not gonna stop you say, oh, please don't apply face cream. Please do, okay? But make sure that you separate the section where your scar is, so that the face cream doesn't touch the area. You understand? So because some oils contain retinol, so you might be extra careful what you put on your face and that area, so it doesn't touch that area and wets the area, okay? So face cream, be careful how you apply them when you're in your treatment, when you're there, when you're on your recovery process after the picosecond treatment. When during those time, just avoid applying face cream all over your face and it gets to that area, okay? Now number 2 is oils and cream that contains hydroquinone. If you don't understand what hydroquinone is, they are those harmful chemicals that they're not even good for the skin. Hydroquinone is what all these bleaching creams are contained. Some organics skincare actually add hydroquinone without you knowing. If you watch my other channel, which is Rida Diary, you guys should subscribe to this channel, please. You will know that I talked about a whole lot of things. There's this video I posted and I talked about what you don't know about organic skincare. Not everyone are very careful. Just because everyone said it's organic doesn't mean it's organic. You have to know what you're putting inside your system, so please, inside your body or your skin too. So any creams that contain hydroquinone are very, in fact, they're bad for your skin entirely, not even for the scar area. Very bad for the skin because it's really not good. And most of these bleaching creams contain hydroquinone without you knowing it. It's even 1% or 0.5% of it are very harmful to your skin. Talk more of, you know, you understand. So number 2 is fruits, cucumbers. Some people just there was a specific somebody, there was this person that DM'd me that he applied cucumber to the scar area, and I was so surprised because I was like, what? So please don't apply any fruit whatsoever to it. So people say it's to calm the whatever that, please don't apply it. Just keep that away, okay? Please, cucumber or any other fruits, don't just place it on it, please, okay? Number 2 is ice. A lot of people do this, and because, okay, let me explain their own idea about why they do that. Now, so you know, when you use a picosecond, you notice that the place is swollen, it's inflamed a little bit, and some people just put ice on it to just reduce the inflammation. That is the idea, but this is not good. not good, not good, like really really not good. Make sure not to apply anything that's going to wet the wound. We need that place to be dry at all times. So you applying wet things are just not okay.com. It's just not okay.com. Okay, please just make sure that you don't apply anything wet to that area. Everything is flat, dry all the time. Okay, okay, okay. Cooking butter. A lot of people put cooking butter. Yeah, I've see, the reason why I was able to compile all of this is because I've seen it. I've it's not like I've seen it. I've you know, gotten messages about it. You get, so that makes me compile this list. Cooking butter, yes, some people have put cooking butter on their sky area because there was no butter, because they heard me say mango butter, shea butter, and they say, okay, I have cooking butter, let me just apply it on it. Please, that is totally different. Okay, please don't apply cooking butter to it. Please, if you don't have any this thing, you can just go to watch this video and pick any oils there and just apply it on it. Pick almost 5 oils, because if you put one and you don't see result, people start, look, this thing, I feel like if you want to go on this car journey, if you want to go on this car removal journey, it's a journey and it's a process. You need to take your time, get all the materials and go on it. Don't just jump into buying picosecond and feel like picosecond only can do the magic. When you use picosecond without using other things, you don't see results. I always say that these are things that worked for me. I always specify. You know, my videos will bear me witness that I've said a whole lot of that. Picosecond and other things have helped me. Like
2,000 years later.
So number 9 is alcohol. Rubbing alcohol or sanitizer or anything. Yeah, not good. So people just, I don't know why they do that. They just apply it on it and they say because they don't want a place to be infected. Like, how do you put sanitizer on a fresh wound? It's going to hurt more than even when you started when you're using the picosecond or when you're using the laser treatment. You understand? It's going to hurt. So please don't put that. You need the place to be dry at all times. Okay, make sure that you're paying attention to all of these details. Yes, and you'll be fine. We've come to the end of this channel. Oh, sorry. We've come to the end of this video. So if you watched to this point, you're the real MVP. You are the real MVP. Thank you. And if you've not ordered any of our scar oil treatments products, please do. They are available. So try and order. You can chat me up on Instagram, and I'll always ask for your skin type, because I want to make oil to suit your skin type. Okay, word to me. And if you've not buy any of our products and you really want to get them, you can just reach out to me on Rida Organic Skincare and I'll answer to you. Okay, the link is in the description, and also I'll put it up here so you can have an idea. Okay, so what else again do I even want to share with you? So please take note of all of these things. Okay, make sure that when you're putting things on your scar, you're not just putting them. You can, I told you can send me questions on my Instagram. My personal Instagram page is here. My my email account is down in the description box. Please reach out to me, talk to me, and God knows I will be, and I'll answer all of them. Okay, I answer. It's just that some, because of work, I may not answer it that same day, but as soon as I come back from work, I always check my emails. Okay, please reach out to me before you do anything. Before you even buy the picosecond, reach out to me and ask me. I can give you my advice for free. They ask for free. I'm not going to ask you for 1 penny. Okay, all right, you can reach out to me and I'll be more than happy to help you. Okay, please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Help this girl boost her channel. Okay, like this video, share to somebody that might be very interested. You understand, someone that might like it, someone, even if the bird, just share this channel. Okay, share. All right, thank you so much. We've come to the end of this video.